So this is a park where I grew up. I guess the Lord just called me to pull off over here. I was going to the beach today, right? It's gonna be 87 degrees, 88 degrees. We kept going higher and higher, all the reports, right? Sunny, and of course it started raining. It's been raining for like the last 2 hours. It's like market's closing pretty soon at like, well, it's like 3:15 right now. Today's the 12th of August, 2019, baby. Look at this over here. This really cool water. They're all doing this now, these cities, municipalities. See the slide? See the slide? So absolute, huge, awesome miracles are happening in my life right now. You know, I don't pay anything for my like MRIs and stuff like that, or any kind of drugs. Like, for example, I just got prescribed Tecfidera for the multiple sclerosis, and you know, I saw my neurologist, you know, and they're just like, oh, 22 years now with this thing, multiple sclerosis. But Biomed, I think is the name of the company. They have a financial. I had no insurance, okay? And I brag about this all the time. There was a law you had to have insurance in this country for a while. What a silly thing that was, right? So I don't have insurance because obviously I don't see doctors. But I was hospitalized in 2015, so. And I paid nothing. I got it all on record for you. Just, you know, it was like $35,000 in two different times. Like 7 nights, I think. 3 days the first time, and then 4 next time. $35,000 for 2 hospitals. I paid zero, and they're paying all the MRIs. I'm making a new MRI. I'm all excited about this. They push it up. I want to get out of the house. It's just so cold up here. So they pushed it up from the 20th. Now I was able to get into tomorrow night, baby. Oh, what's up? This just stands right here, but it's been raining, so I don't know how. I mean, there's some spots that did feel kind of dry, but I don't really want to sit on it. But there's so many miracles happening. What I mean by that is, like, one of the big things for me is I've really needed a desire for this, and I need women to be mothers, you know. And so, wow, really? I run into the whole issue of the absent parent thing with my first wife. She got up and left, and then my second wife. According to the state of Ohio, they're saying, oh, it's absent parents, even though they took our children. Strange, but yeah, they left where our children were living. So, and it really it's worn me out probably more than anything. So that's one of my, I guess you want to call, like, I don't have any like a bucket list, but yeah, it's a big prayer that I have, that a woman would step it up and be the mother for our children. And of course you hear about, you know, this issue of fathers not being fathers in America. Is a big issue. My own father, you know, just never wanted to be a father, but he, of course, feeding for his children with his current wife, whom he married in 1991 or something like that, whenever it was. But I'm rolling with this whole like health thing, you know, and I'm so thankful for this. You know, people, I'm reviewing some things on, so a little more than 400,000 people have multiple sclerosis, which is like 0.014% or something. Wait, how did I come up with that? No, that's way wrong. That's way wrong. Oh man, what I did was I took okay, well, no, that's right. 0.0014% of people have that. How I found that was, so 1 out of 700 people have that. Took 1 divided by 700, whatever that came out to be. So now you know. And then of course, the eye thing, I think it's 1 out of 50,000 or 75,000 people have Leber's hereditary optic neuropathy. And listen, you're gonna see the proof of this MRI. It's world news. I'm telling you. I'm getting this MRI done tomorrow night, and it's gonna be fabulous, beautiful. The most beautiful brain. They can't find a spot of it. I'm telling you. I've been looking forward to this for years, to show people that anything can be, you know, cured. Not just cured, but I mean, there's no such thing as death. Oh my God, that's powerful. I don't think that came from me. That was like the Lord. Obviously, I've always said it's an illusion, but you've got life, and you know, Christ is life. So I'm focusing on like what is really working right now in my life. Money, yes. Beautiful women. It just flows to me like water. what can I say, you know? Okay, obviously I couldn't get to the beach today. I mean, it was raining and it was like so beautiful, like sunny too. Where do you put your towel? Like it's basically, here the sand turns into like mud, dirt. So, yeah, I guess a big one really is just the children. It's like, man, come on, God. Oh. I mean, the nursing is awesome. My second wife, she really stepped it up, allowed me to do the prenatal care and delivery. Our children were big on that too, with regard to deliveries. But the nursing was strong, yeah. But like, I need to continue. I need these girls, these women, to stay. I mean, you know, children need their mother and their father. How? And I haven't, but I guarantee you, as you're seeing the healing and the deadly, degenerative, the whatever it is, multiple sclerosis, and you know, the lawsuits. I've had lawsuits like, how does this happen? You can't just keep it. Well, they've completely stopped, and now you're seeing like, you know, perfect record and driving record's perfect. Obviously, all these things are just perfect. My health. I'm posting stuff on, you know, Facebook. I'm figuring out how to get onto like the my health chart thing, you know, and whatever. Not whatever. It's called Metro Health up here in Cleveland. Everything I do is free. I don't. They have this financial assistance through Biomed for the Tech Federa, but I started out with Avonex back in the 1990s. Put it in my muscle. Hello. And then of course it was Copax, like a Copaxone kind of thing. It was these beta interferon things in 2016. Then I got into basically Copaxone kind of thing, which is Glatopa. That was a generic form of it. That's all this stuff was paid for, and now this is even more expensive. My mom does Tysabri. So this is the park where I hung out when I was much younger. I feel victory. I feel restoration. Restoration of my brain. Look at this memory that I have. The reflexes that I have. Multiple sclerosis, people. And driving a car. I mean, it's more than 70,000 miles in the past 3 years. More than 40 jurisdictions, more than 40 states. I was pulled over. We're doing over 130 in Kansas. I'll let go. What's up? I gotta take off my shirt. This is nice. This is really nice. Sun's getting even stronger. The heat's, you know, getting more intense. Anyway, this is fun.